Project we deal here is starting and speed control of 3-phase slip ring induction motor using PLC. The components we used here is half HP 3-phase slip ring induction motor, ABB series 51 PLC, relays, 3NO relays, 4NO auxiliary contactor, push buttons, selector switch, and 200 watts electric bulbs which acts as resistors. In this project, we use rotor resistance method for both starting and speed control of induction motor. 3 equal resistors are connected to the rotor circuit, which are shorted at one end. Before each set of resistors, 3 NO relays are connected, which are used to cut the resistors accordingly. The auxiliary contactor is used to provide 3-phase AC supply to the induction motor. All the AC coils of contactors and relays are energized by using the PLC. Push buttons are interfaced with the PLC to start or stop the motor. The selector switch is used for the desired speed selection, which in turn controls the 3 NO relays. In this project, we use ABB AC31 Graph software for programming in PLC. Coming to the programming, when the digital input I62.00, that is the start push button, is pushed, after the time delay of 2 seconds, the digital output O62.00 is on, and after the time delay of 5 seconds, digital output O62.01 is on, and after 5 seconds, O62.02 is on, and after 5 seconds, O62.03 is on. The time delay operation is obtained by using the T-on functional block, that is the timers. The digital input I62.01, I62.02, I62.03 and I62.05 are accessed only after the time delay of 17 seconds. By switching these inputs on and off, the digital outputs O62.01, O62.02 and O62.03 are controlled. The digital input I62.04, that is a stop push button, is used to terminate the process. Going to the operation, when the start push button is pushed, after the time delay of 2 seconds, the auxiliary contactor closes, and after the time delay of 5 seconds, the first set of resistances are cut out, and after 5 seconds, the second set of resistances are cut out, and after 5 seconds, all the resistance in the rotor circuit are cut out, and the motor rotates in the rated speed. The selector switch is used for desired speed selection of the motor. The stop button is used to stop the motor in any condition and at any time. In this way, starting and speed control of induction motor is achieved by using PLC.